Hi there, Alan Jones here from Lloyds Classic Car Auctions, and boy am I excited to present this magnificent 2022 Chevrolet Stingray C8 3LT Corvette. Blink and you'll miss it. This spectacular car has only 14 kilometres on the clock and comes with a 3-year factory GM Special Vehicles warranty, plus an extra 3 years warranty until 2028. Believed to accelerate from 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds with a top speed of 312 kilometres an hour. It's an absolute beast, to say the least. Skip the 2-year waiting period and let her be yours as she goes under the hammer on Saturday, June the 25th from 10 a.m. For more information, visit lloydsauctions.com.au or give us a call on 1800 456 588. Good luck.